Hello everyone, my name is Humayun. I'm starting a 30-day speaking challenge. This is day one and I came on the rooftop to practice my speaking and film this video. Today I want to speak about my day, and actually I woke up very early, and I started my day with praying and reading a book. After that, I had breakfast with my family, and then I came directly to there on the rooftop to film this video and start this challenge. I hope you guys like it, and I will continue this challenge for the next 30 days. Hello everyone, welcome to my 30 days speaking challenge. Today is day 2 and I'm here on the rooftop in order to practice speaking. Today I came here to film myself and show you the environment. Today the weather is very lovely and the view is very spectacular. Look at that cloud behind me. That is a big cloud and it looks amazing. Let me show you the mountain, which is not very far from our house, and people go there to have fun, and the view of the city is very nice from there. Hello everyone, welcome to my 30 days speaking challenge. Today is day 3, and as usual I started my day with praying and reading a book. After that I had breakfast with my family. Then I watched some English videos on YouTube. Then I came on the rooftop in order to film this video for you guys. So today the weather is very nice, and as you can see, the sky has turned its color to blue, and how amazing it looks. Today is day 3 and I'm going to continue this challenge for the next 30 days. Hello everyone, today is day 4 of my 30 days speaking challenge. I'm trying to speak more clear. As usual, I came on the rooftop in order to practice speaking with myself even for some minutes. Today the weather is amazing. It's very lovely. The sky turns its color to blue, and as you can see, there are some clouds on the sky. The sun is shining very softly, which makes the environment spectacular, and I love this kind of weather, and I love this place because it's calm, quiet and peaceful, and I can practice speaking here.